Imagine a metal that has ruled for thousands of years, a gold that has shaped wars, built empires, and even honored gods. Gold, the undisputed sovereign of wealth. But today, a new contender has arrived to challenge its crown. Neither physical, nor limited, nor stoppable. Bitcoin, the digital code declaring, "My money, my rules." Tradition versus innovation. Metal versus code. Past versus future. Which one will prevail? And this battle has already begun. Welcome to King of the Trade, where knowledge creates profit. Gold versus Bitcoin. Two paths to wealth. Gold represents the physical world, a tangible, heavy, and valuable metal that remains touchable and real even if the internet shuts down or banks collapse. Its value comes from its rarity, the difficulty of extraction, and its long, storied history. Bitcoin, on the other hand, was born in the digital realm, weightless, locationless, yet infinitely powerful. Its scarcity is guaranteed not by the earth, but by mathematics. In essence, the two embody different philosophies. Gold equals tradition, security, stability. Bitcoin equals innovation, freedom, the future, and independence from banks. The battle across economic and political conditions. 1. In times of war, gold has always been a safe haven. Nations and armies have stored it for times of crisis. Bitcoin, however, with its digital and decentralized nature, can provide borderless financial security, even during modern or cyber wars. Though it remains highly volatile. During financial crises, when banks collapse or hyperinflation strikes, gold has consistently preserved value. Bitcoin in recent years has also proven its ability to act as a store of value independent of the traditional banking system. However, its price swings are far more dramatic, both a risk and an opportunity. In strong growing economies, gold behaves conservatively, offering limited growth and sometimes price declines. Bitcoin, in contrast, has high profit potential. When the economy is booming, digital investments can yield much higher returns than gold. 4. Liquidity. Gold is physical and easily traded in major markets. Bitcoin, thanks to exchanges and digital platforms, also offers instant global liquidity, anytime, anywhere. Yet in severe crises, its short-term volatility may spike. 5. Investment and profitability. Gold equals conservative investment, limited but stable returns. Bitcoin, high risk, high volatility, but potential for extraordinary profits. For many investors, combining both assets is considered the smartest way to protect and grow wealth. Inflation and the decline of fiat currencies. One of the main reasons Bitcoin was created was distrust in national currencies and governments' tendency to print money excessively. Gold has always resisted inflation and preserved value, but Bitcoin, with its capped supply, can serve as a digital shield against the devaluation of cash. Government support and opposition. Gold has long been government-approved, held as national reserves in central banks. Bitcoin's story is more complex. Some nations have embraced it as a legal asset, while others have tried to restrict it. This contrast fuels both extreme volatility and massive profit opportunities for bold investors. Technology and blockchain encryption, decentralization, and blockchain transparency set Bitcoin apart from any other asset. This technology provides not only security, but also privacy and personal control over wealth, something gold can never offer. The new generation of investors. Today's generation grew up with the internet and technology. They seek financial freedom, transparency, and speed in transactions. Bitcoin is the language of this generation. While gold remains the favorite of traditional investors, market psychology has shifted. The new generation embraces digital risk. The future of the Bitcoin-gold battle. This is more than a financial rivalry. It's a clash between past and future, tradition and innovation, stability and freedom. Gold is the metal that has endured for millennia, the timeless symbol of wealth and trust. Bitcoin is the digital entity born of algorithms and technology, breaking borders in a modern world. Will there come a day when gold and Bitcoin coexist side by side? Perhaps. But every investor and analyst today knows one thing: the crown of money is changing hands. In the end, a shining metal or flawless code, matter or mathematics, the past or the future. Time is the ultimate judge, and we stand in the midst of the greatest battle in the history of money. Bitcoin versus gold. The final battle for money has just begun. Don't forget, like and subscribe to much more videos.